welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I haven't posted any videos, but today I'm coming with a brand new video for you guys. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Selena. I do beauty videos and everything in that sort. So if you guys are interested in watching videos like this, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more beauty videos. So today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be updating you guys on what's been going on, and I'm also gonna be doing my makeup as I speak. So first things first, I'm pretty sure you guys noticed as soon as y'all seen the video, I did cut my hair, and the reason for that was because I wanted my curls to be more healthy and I wanted to get rid of all of my split ends, and I just kind of wanted a new look. And yeah, so first things first, I'm going to put primer on and then start with my eyebrows. So the primer I'm going to be using is this one. It's called No Pore Blem. That's so corny, but that's what it says. And I got this in a BoxyCharm, and I'm also going to be using products from previous boxes from BoxyCharm, and also my newest box, which is the July box. And I'm just going to be using the palette, which is the Butter London palette. This is it right here. So this is the palette I'm going to be using, and I just got this in the mail today. So I'm going to start off with the primer. So this is like a liquid base primer. And I'm just going to rub that onto the skin. And then I'm going to pat it in so that it goes in my pores. Because baby girl, I don't need these pores to be messing up my makeup, because I have huge pores, like especially right here in my T-zone, like over here. It's bad. Okay, so now that we got our primer on, I'm going to start off with my brows. And what I use for my brows is same as always, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And I'm going to be filling in my brows. So yeah. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm just going to conceal. So for me to do that, I usually use just a flat brush and any concealer that you want. I'm going to be using the concealer that I always use, which is the LA Girl Pro concealer. And this is the only concealer that I use. And I just conceal under the eyebrow to clean up any imperfections. Like that. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other one. That. And then you're just gonna blend this out with a beauty blender or any sponge that you may have. So I'm gonna just use my beauty blender. It's already damp, so I'm just gonna pat that into the skin. And you can just bring it down if you want. Like that. So guys, how have you guys been? I know it's been a while since I've came on the channel, and did a video for you guys, but I'm back. I really missed you guys. I missed doing my beauty videos, so I was like, let me just do a video for them. And I've just been busy because I started a new job, and as you guys know, I also have my couples channel with my boyfriend, and that channel is growing so beautifully, and it's just crazy. Like, it's just growing really nice, and we're very grateful for all of our supporters and everybody that does watch our videos and comments and shows love and reposts, and we are very grateful for that and for the people that we have, you know. So now that I blended that out and I dragged it down to the eyelids, so I use that as a primer for my eyelids, I'm going to be applying some tape at the ends of my eyes so I could get a cleaner eyeshadow look. So I'm just gonna be going like that. And I have hooded eyes, so if you're watching this and you have hooded eyes, I'm gonna show you a technique for your eyes. I might also use the Tarte Be You Naturally palette because it has more of a soft brown, and I might need it for a transition shade. So yeah, I'm just gonna use, I'll use this palette and this palette. So I'm just gonna wipe the powder off. Alright. I'm gonna start with this brush right here, and I'm gonna go straight into the shade, let's see, I'm guessing that shade is Dusk, Explore, I don't know, I'm not sure, but it's gonna be the shade right here, this one right here. So I'm gonna go into that, tap the excess off, and I'm just going to go full, I'm gonna go with back and forward motions right on top of my eyelid, so like right here. Then I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. I'm going to take the shade Temptress, which is this dark, nice dark brown color right here, and I'm going to work that into like the inner corner of my eye, like that. So now that we have our shadows on, I'm going to be cutting my crease with the, I also got this in the BoxyCharm. It says the Luxie J brush set. So it comes with a I can't get it out. There you go. It comes with a big blending brush, and it also comes with a crease brush. So I'm going to be blending the shadows out with this brush. Make sure everything is well blended. Like that. And now I'm gonna show you hooded eye girls a trick. So you see where my hooded eye starts, right here, right? So if I put my eyeshadow there, you wouldn't really see the color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it more above my crease, so kind of like up here. So I'm gonna make a new crease for myself. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do that right now. So I'm just taking a little bit of concealer on this concealer brush, and I'm just gonna follow where I want my crease to be. So right there is where I want my crease to be. Then I'm going to pack on this blue shade onto the front. Like that. And then I'm gonna add some green. And just blend it. Then I'm going to add this color right here, which is the Enchanted color, I believe. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And this is a beautiful shade. Very, very beautiful. And I'm also going to add that onto my brow bone. So guys, now I'm just going to remove the tape and add my lashes. So guys, my lashes are on. So now I'm just going to be going in with my foundation. And I'm going to be using, let me see. Okay, this one's done. So I'm just going to be using Natural Buff, and this is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Foundation Pro Glow. So I just put some on my hand. And I'm going to apply this with my sponge if I find it. And I found it. Okay, so now that's done, I'm gonna be putting some concealer on. So guys, my phone wanted to be stupid and die, but this is the final look and I like it. I think it came out really nice. Really nice. Don't mind my hair. Ooh, oh my god, don't mind my hair. I look kind of crazy right now, but this is the look. And yeah, I like it. It's like a nice summer look. And yeah, so if you guys watch this video and decide to do this look, make sure you guys follow my Instagram and DM me some pictures, because I would like to see how it looks on you guys. And yeah, so if you guys have any other video suggestions, make sure you guys comment them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.